OnePlus may be getting ready to bring back a strategy it dropped a few years ago, and this change could arrive with the OnePlus 16 series. According to recent leaks, OnePlus might not launch the OnePlus 16 as a single standalone flagship. Instead, the company could introduce a OnePlus 16 Pro or even a OnePlus 16 Ultra alongside the base model. If this happens, it would mark a major shift in how OnePlus handles its flagship lineup. For a long time, OnePlus followed a very simple strategy. Each year, it launched one main flagship phone and then followed it up with an R version that offered slightly fewer features at a lower price. The most recent example is the OnePlus 15 and the OnePlus WinFeed R. The OnePlus 15 focused on performance, while the WinFeed R offered a more affordable option with some compromises. This approach helped keep the lineup clean and easy to understand. However, this strategy also meant OnePlus was missing something important. Most competitors now release multiple models in their flagship series to target different users. Google does this with its Pixel lineup, and Apple does it with its iPhone series. These brands offer base models for regular users and Pro or Ultra models for people who want the best features possible. OnePlus, on the other hand, currently only competes with base flagship phones like the standard iPhone and Pixel models. That could change with the OnePlus 16. A trusted leaker known as OnePlus Club suggests that OnePlus is planning a Pro or Ultra variant that would act as an all-rounder device. This means it would not focus on just one area like performance, but instead bring upgrades across the board. That includes the display, camera, battery, and overall build quality. This is important because the OnePlus 15, while powerful, made some trade-offs. It delivered a big performance boost compared to earlier models, but its camera hardware was actually a downgrade. The sensors were smaller than those used in the OnePlus 13, and that disappointed some fans. Even though real-world camera performance did not suffer much, the downgrade was still noticeable on paper. On top of that, OnePlus launched the OnePlus 15 at a lower price in China, which further showed its focus on performance value, rather than a complete premium experience. The rumored OnePlus 16 Pro or Ultra could fix this by offering a more balanced flagship. According to leaks, the OnePlus 16 series is expected to launch in Q4 of 2026. This makes sense because OnePlus has been releasing its main flagship phones in the fourth quarter for several years now. There is no strong reason for the company to change that schedule. Even though the launch is still far away, some early rumors about the OnePlus 16 have already appeared. One of the most interesting leaks suggests that the phone could feature a display with a 200 Hz refresh rate. If this turns out to be true, it would be the highest refresh rate ever seen on a smartphone. It would even beat gaming-focused phones like the Asus ROG G phone series, which currently top out at 165 Hz. Another exciting rumor comes from well-known tipster Digital Chat Station. According to this leak, the OnePlus 16 could feature a massive 200MP camera sensor. This would be a huge upgrade compared to the OnePlus 15 and could help OnePlus win back users who care deeply about camera hardware. A Pro or Ultra model would be the perfect place to introduce such a high-end camera system. The return of a Pro model would not be completely new for OnePlus. The company offered Pro variants up until the OnePlus 10 series. Back then, users could choose between different models based on their needs and budget. In early 2023, OnePlus said it wanted to simplify its lineup, which is why Pro models were dropped. But the market has changed since then, and competition has become tougher. Right now, OnePlus does not have a phone that directly challenges devices like the iPhone Pro or Pixel Pro models. Bringing back a OnePlus 16 Pro or Ultra would allow the brand to compete in the true premium flagship space again. That said, all of this information is based on leaks and rumors, not official announcements. So it's best to stay cautious and wait for confirmation from OnePlus itself.